We are standing at a threshold moment because normally when someone with that much of experience and knowledge leaves a department, we always have the big challenge that what we call in Dutch the collectieve geheugen, the collective memory of such a knowledge bank will leave a department somewhat empty. In your case, you took the responsibility to record, in any case, part of that history. So even when departing from the department, you showed the responsibility that always marked your career within the Department of Foreign Affairs. And I'm sure all your colleagues miss you, and all your knowledge and wisdom, and especially your relationship with so many ambassadors and leaders around the world. So on behalf of the government of Aruba, thank you very much for all the years of dedication and great service. You have created many, many friends for Aruba all over the world, and we'll always remain very thankful for that. And we're very happy that part of it, in any case, is recorded for history. Masadanki, Wiki.
Thank you very much.
I would like to thank Prime Minister for hosting this part, and he will be hosting the next part also. So thank you, Minister, for making this possible. We look forward to next year also to organize another event. We still need to evaluate in what form, if it will be the same kind of information. I also would like to thank Wiki for the book. The panels I would like to also thank for their cooperation. The panel members have been giving good information to you, and we noticed that the communication part of these kind of issues needs to be worked on. So we will be working on this part to set more meetings, maybe in smaller settings, to communicate the way we work, and in order to create platforms to make our jobs better and to serve better our the people we work for.